Hello, my dear students of class 6. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. I am also absolutely fine. At the very beginning, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Rafiqul Islam, English teacher of Hathilit High School, Fulbaria, Mymensingh. Dear students, today I'll discuss about possessives for you. Before going to elaborate discussion, now I will say some parts of speech of possessive. Possessive is an adjective and its Bangla meaning is সম্বন্ধ সূচক and its noun form is possession সম্বন্ধ and verb form possess সম্বন্ধ করা. Okay, dear students, you have already known three parts of speech of possessive, adjective, and possession, noun, and possess verb form. Dear students, just I have written some examples of possessives on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard and you can see that there are some underlined words in these examples, and underlined words are important. Okay, dear students, before going to elaborate discussion, at first I am reading all these examples for your better understanding. Now I am reading and try to make you understand after completing my reading. I am a student of class 6 of Hathilit High School. Dear students, here there are some underlined words of class and of Hathilit High School. These are underlined words here, and underlined words are important here. Okay, students, of class 6, you know that 6 is a noun, and before this noun there is also of class, classer. Here Bangla meaning classer, of class, classer, and it is important for you that there will be raw at the end of Bangla word, such as of class, classer, of Hathilit High School, Hathilit High Schooler. Okay, dear students. So, of class 6, of class, this possess with the noun 6. So, it is possessive because possessive only possess with another noun or pronoun. If any word possess with other noun or pronoun is called possessive. So, of class possess here with the noun 6. So, of class is possessive, and as it is with of, so you can say it the possessive with of, and of Hathilit High School is the same. Okay, dear students. Now, next example. It is situated in my village. In my village, আমার গ্রামে, এটি আমার গ্রামে অবস্থিত. My village. Here, village is noun, and my, this word possesses with the noun village. So, my is possessive here. And dear students, look at here. My is also modifying the noun village. So, you can say it is also adjective, because an adjective, you know that adjective is a modifying word. So, here this possessive functions as adjective. This possessive functions here as adjective. So, it is possessive adjective. It is possessive adjective. Okay, dear students. Now, next example. Our English teacher's name is Rafiqul Islam. Our English teacher's name শিক্ষকের নাম. So teacher's name, there is H at the back of the word teacher. So teacher's name. So and this word possesses with the noun name. So it is possessive. Teacher's H here possessive, and we call it possessive with S. Teachers. Okay, dear students. Now the next example. I watch his classes on online. His classes তার ক্লাসগুলো. Here his this word possesses with the noun classes. So it is also possessive. And otherwise this possessive modifies this noun classes. So as it modifies this noun, so it is adjective also. So it is possessive adjective. Okay, dear students. Now the next example and the last example. Learning English is a dream of mine. ইংরেজি শিক্ষা করাটা হচ্ছে আমার স্বপ্ন. Dear students, of mine, mine আমার, mine আমার. So it is possessive because this word possesses with the noun dream, স্বপ্ন. So it is possessive, and as this word functions here as a pronoun, so it is possessive pronoun. We call it possessive pronoun. Okay, dear students, I hope you have already understood all the possessives. So there are many types of possessives here. The first possessive is possessive with of, possessive with of class, of Hatilit High School, of my village, of his pen, etc. And the next, my, his, possessive adjective. The first possessive with of and possessive adjective, and possessive with s, and the last is possessive pronoun. So we have got here four types of possessives: possessive with of, possessive with s, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. These four types of possessives we got here. Okay, dear students, I think you have already understood about possessives. And now there are some examples I am saying for you. Possessive adjective such as our, his, your, her, etc. Possessive pronoun such as mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. And possessive of with s such as teachers, fathers, mothers, etc. And possessive with of such as of Hatilit High School, of a class, of Rohims, etc. Okay, dear students. Now I am reading a text for you. You have to find out the possessives from the text. Okay, dear students. So be attentive and listen to my text. Now I am reading a text for you. You have to find out the possessives from the text. Okay, dear students, now I am reading. Hatilit is the most beautiful village in Mymensingh district. It is my birthplace. There is a high school named Hatilet High School in our village. A four-storied building is the most attraction of the school. Many students from different parts of the country come here to their attractive place named Borobila, because now Borobila is a place of attraction, because it is called Poddobil. So many tourists from different parts of the country come here every day to visit Borobila and to visit the Poddobil. You with your family members may visit this attractive place and can enjoy it very much. Thank you very much, my dear students. I think you have understood about possessives, and you have to find out the possessives from the article. Okay, thank you very much.